Hello my lovely juniors, this is Ashok and welcome to ICANN Technologies, and I won't let my juniors down. This video is about the job opening for the freshers. Now we will see for which branch we have open and what will be your salary if you go there and what are terms and conditions of the company. So we will start it now. The company name is SEVYA Multimedia or SEVYA IT Solutions. Job opening for freshers only. Passed out in 2021-22. Job profile: software design, layout design and verification engineer. Work locations will be Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Delhi and NCR. Basic technical skills required in any one of the following. So they are asking for the C program, C++, Python, OOPS, like general aptitude that is now necessary, and basics of logics. Next, HR contact information. So if make your CV better, and if you don't know how to make your CV, go and check my playlist, ICANN Technologies automation course or some this one. I have explained there how to make the best CV. So you can see what is about the company now. So this is the company website. I think it looks like a good company only. If you see services and all, here you can see about the your job profile. Okay, here it is telling developing customer IP as per customers. They are making the full chip designing services and AMS design. Like there are so many verification, physical design, firmware, board bring up. They are doing so many activities in their company. I think it is very chip integration, AMS layout. I think it is very good company. If you get chance to work here, I'm sure you will learn a lot to you will get a lot of experience also. And if you see here, these are the company services what they have given. VLSI embedded system. You don't know or not, I don't know, but if you work in VLSI and embedded system designs and all, your salary will be too high when you come out of the organization and whenever you are changing the job and all. So you can see there are so many high level customers are there for this company. Is the CEO. Just read out the website once before going to interview, and also it will be very helpful for you. I think you can go for the job and it is very good, it seems. So that's it about the company. I think you can apply for it. Okay, and as far as job is concerned, they are telling that it is a 3-year contract now, and then now I will tell you how to exactly attend this interview, what all we can do. So now I will tell. Okay, and that is all about the job information. And don't be afraid just because that they are asking so many programming languages which we don't know. You can ask me, sir, as a fresher, how I know all this, how to attend. So please don't worry. They, as a fresher, they also know that you don't know like you don't know that much level, but the basics of C++, some you can read about the basic programs like addition, deletion, or some extra if you know, that is very enough. And if you learn the syntax for every program, there will be one syntax. So like if what will be there in C and C++, and if you take any program, Python, OOPS, everything, like 3 or 4 conditions will come: if loop, for loop, while loop, and like some common statements. If you know this means basics only they will ask. And next one about the salary, they are telling that during the internship kind of thing, it means during your training you may not get salary, but you may get stipend. It will be around some 15,000. So it will be in the Bhubaneswar for 3 months. Once I think if you get the chance to work, you must go, and then if you are selected in the training, so you will get the it may be salary around from 3 to 4 lakhs based on your requirement, and their if you are performing well, and they may increase your salary year by year. And then about the contract, they are telling 3 years contract. But if you are getting more than 3 lakhs means you will get around some 20 to 25,000 per month. It is very good money. And if you are performing well, year by year you may get good increment also. Like signing up the 3-year bond is not a big deal, because wherever you are going in the company, you must know, you must understand what all the concepts they are telling about. So I think it is very good company, as I explained, and you are having a lot of like you will get a lot of opportunity to learn the new things. So just try it. Don't leave that, sir, I don't know that, I don't know this. No, you have enough time. Once you mail to the HR, it may take some 1 week or 2 weeks to come back to you. So you have that much time. Be prepared and try it, and at least you will get the how the interview will be done, what all questions they will ask. At least you will get that experience. So I think this video is very useful for you. If you think it is very useful, please like and subscribe, and also comment if you have any questions, and if you want me to make any further videos on jobs and interviews, that also you can comment. So till then, see you, bye bye.